Today we're celebrating Franklin Roosevelt and Dick Cheney's birthday today. So first, here's the presidential news about FDR.
Let me tell you a little story about a man named Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Born on January 30th, 1882 in Hyde Park, New York, he would become the only president elected to more than 2 terms. As a young man, he idolized his cousin, President Theodore Roosevelt. In 1904, he graduated from Harvard and went on to become a lawyer, later serving as Assistant Secretary of the Navy and Governor of New York. At 23, he married Eleanor Roosevelt, a 5th cousin, and together raised 6 children. In 1921, he contracted polio, which left him paralyzed from the waist down. 11 years later, Franklin Roosevelt became the nation's 32nd president, taking office during the worst depression in American history. In his first term in office, he launched Social Security and the New Deal. He would be re-elected again to 3 more terms. On December 7, 1941, when nearly 3,000 people were killed in the attack on Pearl Harbor, Roosevelt became the last president to ask Congress to declare war. On April 12, 1945, Franklin Delano Roosevelt died of a stroke at the age of 63. And there you go, a little story about a man named Franklin.
Dick Cheney was the vice president during 9/11 attacks. On December 2nd, 2015, his birthday is honored by the Capitol. Here are some presidential firsts about it. Today's activity today for a presidential portrait, we have replaced a red tie. So, a red tie is an unfinished portrait of Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Since he died suddenly in this form, which is now what we call the white lighthouse. Get bushes and get ready to draw tie. He, he, he taught a man how to tie. Franklin Delano Roosevelt taught a man how to tie. Tie a tie. Yeah. Tie. FDR is good. That's the activity today about FDR. That's it, folks. Goodbye.